With our current weather conditions, it takes a real expert to create landscape that'll thrive. Riedel's Garden Center has the staff with the expertise of water requirements for plants, lawns, and landscapes that'll stand up to our changing weather conditions. With 25 years of hands-on experience, owner Darren Riedel will customize a landscape design and irrigation system to meet your expectations and our climate. It's recommended to protect your lawn using Fertilome products available at Riedel's Garden Center, an authorized dealer. Call or stop by Riedel's Garden Center today.
Hello, I'm Pat Phillips, the Ellis County Master Gardener with the Cottonwood District of K-State Research and Extension. Today I'm going to discuss some common tomato problems and solutions. Our hot, dry weather causes some tomato problems that you just can't do anything about. Blossom drop is one of those. As temperatures below 60 degrees and above 90 degrees, blossoms may fall off and fruit will not set. So if tomatoes are blooming and the temperatures are in the mid-90s for weeks this summer, tomatoes simply won't set on at that time. Leaf curl is another problem that is weather-related. During the periods of hot weather, tomato leaves curl. The surface of the leaf is reduced, so not as much moisture is lost. This does not affect the yield or the quality of your crop. Blossom end rot appears as a dry, leathery patch at the bottom of the tomato, and they may turn black. This is caused by fluctuations in soil moisture. To prevent blossom end rot, water uniformly, use mulch, and don't over-fertilize. Growth cracks result from sudden rains or watering after a drought. Some varieties are more prone to cracking than others. The cracks usually spread out in a star-like pattern from the stem toward the blossom end. A consistent water supply and avoiding high nitrogen fertilizers that cause rapid growth can eliminate this. Since cracking is most common in nearly ripe fruit, it will also help to pick the fruit in the pink stage and allow them to ripen indoors. Even small amounts of herbicides such as 2,4-D can cause herbicide damage if used in the area. Tomato stems and leaves may be twisted and distorted. Avoid using herbicides near your garden. Plants usually will recover to normal in a few weeks. Insects are another type of problem. The aphid is a small green, yellow, or dark-colored insect. If you see these on your tomatoes, spray the plant thoroughly with malathion, diazinon, or rotenone. 7 will not control this pest. Spider mites are also common, but you may not see the signs of these tiny insects until the leaves shrivel and turn brown. Then a fine webbing can be seen on the underside of the leaves. Cover the plants, especially under the leaves, with calthane, malathion, or insecticidal soaps. Tomato hornworms are large green worms with a horn or a tail. They can eat huge quantities of tomato leaves. You can remove them by hand, but for the faint of heart, 7 or thiodine can also be used to control them. One final thought: you can prevent many tomato diseases and disorders by removing all tomato plant debris this fall, and then avoid planting tomatoes in the same area year after year. Reporting for K-State Research and Extension and Eagle TV, I'm Pat Phillips, an Ellis County Master Gardener with the Cottonwood District. And here is Edna Hansen, Master Gardener, to provide you with some timely topics.
Hello, today we're going to be talking about the Ellis County Fair. All registration is online and it opens on June the 22nd and closes on July 9th. If you have no computer, you can go to the extension office and they will help you do your entries. And since it's so early, sometimes we enter a flower or a vegetable and then discover that it doesn't look so good that day. Don't worry, it can be scratched. Enter everything you might possibly have. The judging is on the 18th for flowers and the 17th for vegetables. They are both brought in the morning of judging to make sure they're nice and fresh, to give you your best chances. Sometimes kids say, oh, well, we can't enter, we don't belong in 4-H. Yes, you can. There is an open division for both adults and youth. And actually, if you're in 4-H, you can enter there also. So we like to see all of you come and bring your vegetables, fruits, whatever you have, and come see us at the fair. The book will look like this, but the new one's not out at the time of this taping, but you can go to the extension office and pick one up, and there are cash awards given for the best produce, the best flowers, or anything else you enter. So come see us at the fair.
With our current weather conditions, it takes a real expert to create landscape that'll thrive. Riedel's Garden Center has the staff with the expertise of water requirements for plants, lawns, and landscapes that'll stand up to our changing weather conditions. With 25 years of hands-on experience, owner Darren Riedel will customize a landscape design and irrigation system to meet your expectations and our climate. It's recommended to protect your lawn using Fertilome products available at Riedel's Garden Center, an authorized dealer. Call or stop by Riedel's Garden Center today.